Say good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas.
Welcome back to Vlogmas
5.
5.
Say if you like that new intro, go tell Vegan Fit family thank you, or that you like it, cause they added some jazz to my intro for me, and she didn't even tell me. She just sent me an email, and voila, I had a new intro. But anyway, you can probably see some of Carly hair sticking through my hair, cause yeah, she changed her mind. She don't want locks no more, right? She want her hair like Elsa's and Anna's. I think they got like 2 braids or something. I would have to do like weave or something, I guess.
I want like 3 braids.
3 braids? Maybe for your birthday I can, you said 3 braids. For your birthday, maybe I can do your hair like Elsa or Anna, whichever one you choose. I know I'm gonna have to add the weave to it.
I want like 3 puff balls.
3 puff balls? She want her puff balls back, y'all. Something she ain't like. So this is her hair right now. Sit up, Carly. Voila. I took it down last night with some water and some shea butter. And then it was some twists, which I just took the twist out. I tried to comb her hair out like a fro, but Carly's shrinkage is so real. So, yeah. Hold your head down so I can see the top of your hair. Yeah. I did do a trim on her hair, but the trim probably would have just only took away what she had grew within that month of wearing her hair, because she made it a month, but she still got her hair. And it's just hair. Even when both times that I decided to lock her hair, people, not really people off of YouTube, but just people in person was like, "You gonna lock all that hair?" It's just hair. And I learned how to grow the hair and maintain the hair and keep it healthy. So even if I had let her hair locked all the way up to the point where I would have to cut her hair to take it down, I would grow her hair back. I mean, Carly hair used to be thin, but when I started watching these videos on what natural hair needs, and it's basically water and left alone, her hair flourished. Plus, Carly can't stay out of her hair. I need to get her a mannequin or something. But we're gonna have to. I'm gonna give her the 3 ponytails she want right now for church, because we gotta get ready for church. And maybe after church I'll sit down and braid it and put some beads in it.
And when church is over, you can buy the small ribbons, or you don't have to.
Yeah, so I can use the beads.
Okay.
Girl, like you've been in a cat fight.
Yeah.
You was in a cat fight?
No.
Oh, what happened? You don't want to talk about it? No? Okay. Well, we're going to get ready for church, and we will come back. Alright, so this coffee is good.
Me and her
I forgot to show y'all what I was drinking. I'm trying to make it a habit to show y'all all 12 of these coffees and how they taste. So yesterday I had
let me do it.
gingerbread. It was good. This one is the Christmas cookie. So far, it is the best one.
It smells good, man.
You just tasted it.
I know, yeah, it smells good.
Was it good?
Yeah. It smells good.
I can't tell you what it tastes like. All I know is it's good.
Y'all taste it?
I like my taste buds like things that are like mint. No, not mint, but ginger, cinnamon.
I like ginger.
That's what kind of taste buds I have. So,
Mom.
huh?
Y'all taste?
No. I'm gonna say no, Mom.
I ain't said nothing. I be looking at my videos and it be all this boom, 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 boom.
What is
This
that?
when I drive. It sounds worse on a video than it actually is in real life, or it could just be that I'm so used to the streets. Because what happened is,
Mom,
up here in the winter,
I need something from the store that I can buy me and the twins triples.
buy me some gum.
I don't got no more money, Mom. That's probably my $10. I only got 50 cents.
I don't have enough money either because I gave MarMar my $5 church money. So the other change is all I had to put in church. It's
No.
just like 4 ones or something.
No.
Can I buy something? I want the
See if I got some
Yeah,
change.
give me some money so I can buy
candy
something.
spray.
I need some gum.
Candy
Can
spray.
you use the card, man?
Yes. May I buy me something too?
It's only a couple of dollars on this card.
Yeah, I know.
Candy.
But I'm like something.
Can I
50
buy
cents.
something, Mom?
Y'all want a sucker or not, ladies, or a cake?
No, we ain't getting all that. I just want you to give me some gum.
Sucker.
Oh, can I get something?
Mom, can you get a
I'm about to give him a
sucker?
child support card to see if they let me use it.
I want sucker.
So, where was that? Oh, here in the winter. The temperature get like negative this, negative that, and our roads are concrete and stuff. So what happens is the water get on the roads, it freeze, it expand, it expand. Another thing is they put salt down. Put salt down to melt the ice so it eats at the roads, and then the roads get plowed with a plow. It's a metal thing that scrapes the road. So if there's a crack in the road, it tears it up. So yeah. And then they go.
Yours got glass. Since got glass.
I don't know how often they repair the road, but all summer long there's construction all summer long. So there's roads getting done. For instance, my road has only been patched, I know, for the last 8 years that I lived on this road. So it could be maybe this summer they might decide to redo my street. This street right here that I'm on, I remember it's been actually about 10 years since they redid this street. And this street actually don't look too bad yet. And I know that things are always improving. So, what they used to treat the roads with back in the days, I know they don't treat them now with the same. I think they actually be trying to put sand down now. So things are just always improving. I'm trying not to make my Vlogmas videos too long, but I know some people like the longer ones, and then I like doing the premiere on the longer ones. So I'm just gonna go back and forth. If you don't really like staying for the longer videos, it's okay. You can just look at that video. You see that it's 15 minutes long or just too long for you, then just don't pass me up today. It's okay. I'd rather you just pass over that video than to hop on there for 30 seconds and click off that do more damage. You could just bypass that video and wait till I have a shorter video or something. That'd help me out. That would be more appreciative. You got some pants that got a hole in there. Did you know that? You got a hole up by your thigh too. I don't be looking these kids over before we go out the door. I am bad with that. I am one of those mamas. I write it on a to-do list to do better in 2019. And I thank God that every time I'm having a situation where I have the opportunity or the potential to forget the goodness of God, He puts me in His remembrance of His word. He reminds me of how just the different things that He's brought us through. And I'm telling you, any experience that you're going through that you might not be.
This whole plan of salvation is that we would please Him, that we would spend a lifetime wanting to please God, and then, like the young lady I talked to today.
Ma, can I get no broccoli? I don't like broccoli no more.
Can you give me a cup?
Let me make sure I have a small left over. It's like a small in here, Ma. Oh, wow.
And Carly is all done with her hair. It's just a simple 3 rows to the back. Turn around. Stand up and turn around. I don't put hair down her face. Come back over. I don't put hair in her, Carly. I don't put her hair in her face because she'll eat on it and stuff like that. But she been wanting her beads for the longest, so she now have beads. Look, Carly. Stand up. You gotta scoop back over this way. Stand up.
I'm in.
Look at me. Look that way. Alright. And we are.
There's a mom for.
Oh, you wanna in? Come on. Come in my video for me.
We just a mom for.
We just a mama 4. I'm just a mama 4. You got 4 babies around here? You got 4 baby dolls?
No.
How many baby dolls you got? 3? So you a mama 3? I'm just a mama 4, and we'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas. I don't know, 6 or 7 or something like that.